Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will explore Intel in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 30th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 30th of August, 2024, our system has classified Intel as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.11. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock currently sits in the center of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are likely. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 32.65% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 53.22% to negative 13.96%. When looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a decrease of about 28.26% over the next 12 months, with a possible return between negative 41.66% and 30.44%. This implies a price range from $12.86 to $28.75 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel highlights a very strong day for the stock price on Friday. On the last trading day, the Intel stock price increased by nearly 10%, moving from $20.13 to $22.04. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of over 5%, reaching a low of $21 and a high of $22.12. Overall, there has been a gain of over 5% in the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume also rose, with 113 million more shares changing hands compared to the previous day. In total, 177 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $3.89 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $51.28, while the lowest was $18.84. Presently, the price is 57% or $29.24 below the 52-week high and 68% or $47.25 below the all-time high reached on January 24, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Recent discussions surrounding Intel are stirring significant market attention. Analyst Ed Snyder has suggested that it may be time for Intel to consider a leadership change, particularly regarding CEO Pat Gelsinger's costly turnaround strategies, which some believe are poorly timed. This sentiment reflects a broader questioning of management effectiveness and could heighten stock volatility as investor confidence wavers. Market reactions have been mixed. Intel stock has seen fluctuations amid reports of a possible breakup as the company explores options to mitigate losses and revitalize its business. Some experts, like King Lip from Baker Avenue, view a split as a potentially reinvigorating maneuver that could refocus Intel's strategy, especially with increasing emphasis on artificial intelligence technologies. Additionally, Intel's decision to possibly scale back foundry expansion plans suggests a shift away from aggressive growth models, opting instead for a more cautious approach in a competitive landscape. The company's current predicament, paired with its historical lag in the artificial intelligence chip market, raises questions about its future profitability. Short-term reactions might reflect these management concerns and restructuring debates, potentially impacting stock prices due to uncertainty. In the long term, however, if Intel successfully implements changes that enhance operational efficiency and capture new market opportunities, this could lead to stabilization and potential recovery in stock value. Investors will be keenly watching how these strategic decisions unfold in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Intel a sector weight rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald rated Intel as overweight with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, Goldman Sachs provided Intel with a buy rating while also suggesting a hold action. On that same Monday, RBC Capital rated Intel as sector perform and issued a downgrade recommendation. Additionally, on Monday, BMO Capital assigned Intel a market perform rating along with a hold recommendation. Welcome to our video. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of technology and its impact on our daily lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we are surrounded by devices that make our lives easier and more efficient. Let's discuss some of the most groundbreaking innovations of recent years. For instance, consider how smartphones have transformed communication. What once required face-to-face meetings or lengthy phone calls can now be accomplished with just a few taps on a screen. Additionally, the rise of smart home technology has made it possible to control our appliances with simple voice commands or smartphone apps, enhancing convenience in our homes. Moreover, advancements in artificial intelligence are shaping industries and creating new opportunities. The potential for automation is vast, and it is essential for us to understand its implications for the future of work. As we continue to embrace these changes, it is crucial to remain informed and adapt to the evolving landscape of technology. The following signals have been identified for Intel. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, and so far the stock has risen by approximately 16.06%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term development. The Intel stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average, yet the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $25.17. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $20.37. A breakout above the long-term average will signal another buy opportunity, while a drop below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal and intensify the overall negative outlook. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 18 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 29 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 25 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 108 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 116 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel is currently supported by accumulated volume at $21.48. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the associated risk is viewed as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.12 between its high and low, representing a shift of 5.33%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.55%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -3 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $21.48. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of August, 2024, Patrick Gelsinger conducted an insider purchase of 5,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, Patrick Gelsinger made another insider purchase of 7,500 shares of common stock. On the 31st of July, 2024, David Zinsner made an insider purchase of 6,503 shares of common stock. On that same day, David Zinsner also conducted an insider sale of 3,225 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 31st of July, 2024, David Zinsner sold 6,503 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of 0.996. In total, insiders purchased 453,394 shares and sold 439,116 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $21.22, reflecting a decrease of 3.72%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 31 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to categorize it as a buy at this moment. Currently, it is advisable to consider Intel as a hold candidate, meaning one should maintain or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Our analysis has been updated since the last evaluation, shifting from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate position. After assessing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 3rd of September, we anticipate Intel will open lower, approximately 0.3 of a dollar down, starting at $21.72. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target price for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.